Have you ever wondered how your dining choices impact the environment? Enter the concept of sustainable dining, a practice that considers not just our appetites, but the health of our planet too. It's all about choosing foods that are produced in ways that preserve the environment, promote animal welfare, and support fair trade. It's more than just what's on your plate, it's about the journey your food takes to get there. Think about it. Every meal you have is an opportunity to make a positive impact on the environment. So, how can we dine sustainably? There are many ways to do this. First off, we can choose locally sourced foods. These are often fresher, tastier, and have a lower carbon footprint than foods shipped from far away. Plus, buying local supports local farmers and strengthens our communities. Another essential step is reducing food waste. Did you know that a staggering 1/3 of all food produced globally is wasted? By being mindful of portion sizes, utilizing leftovers, and composting food scraps, we can significantly cut down on this waste. And hey, it's not just good for the planet, but for your wallet too. Then there's the power of plants. Opting for plant-based meals more often is another fantastic way to dine sustainably. Plants require fewer resources to grow than animals and are a key part of a healthy diet. You don't have to go full vegan or vegetarian. Just try incorporating more plant-based meals into your routine. Lastly, we can support restaurants that use sustainable practices. This could mean they source their ingredients locally, minimize waste, or use energy-efficient appliances. By choosing these establishments, we're voting with our wallets and encouraging more businesses to adopt sustainable practices. These practices are not only beneficial for the environment, but they also support local economies and often result in healthier, more delicious meals. So next time you sit down to eat, consider how you can make your meal more sustainable. Remember, every small change can make a big difference. Now that you know how to dine sustainably, it's time to put that knowledge into action. It's not about making drastic changes overnight. It's about taking small, manageable steps that will gradually shift your habits towards sustainability. Start with something as simple as trying out a new plant-based recipe once a week. Who knows, you might just stumble upon a new favorite dish. Next time you're at the grocery store, choose a locally sourced item over an imported one. It's a small choice that can have a big impact. It reduces transportation emissions and supports your local economy. Remember, every meal is an opportunity to make a choice that benefits not just your health, but the health of our planet too. Sustainable dining is more than just a trend. It's a lifestyle change that we all can and must embrace. Join the sustainable dining movement today, because your choices matter. Together we can make a difference.